Hey, what's up everyone? So I finally got my own vlog camera thanks to this guy.
What's up?
He told me about this camera, I liked it, I fell in love with it, and now it's mine. And I'm gonna start vlogging with this, and you guys should tell me how you think of it. What do you think? So right now, I can't tell you what Slim did to me, but he pulled like the most epic prank on me. Which is like the most epic violation.
You can tell him. Slim gave Kareem's number
to a random person.
To a random lady.
Because the person
and this person,
bro, she's like, oh, I like your hair. I like your. I was like, oh, yeah. And she was forcing me to write down the number. I was like, damn it. So I was like, I don't know my number. So I take out my phone and I look at Kareem's number. I wrote Kareem's number down instead.
And now the lady's
which is so messed up. Who does that, man? Why would you give my number, Slim? Watch, I'm gonna do something to him. I'm gonna give his number to everyone out there on the internet. And expect a whole bunch of calls, alright? I'm serious, it's on. It's on. Because that's ultimate violation, man.
When the lady got the number, she left, she was like, I'm gonna call you tonight. And now she's calling Kareem. And Kareem was like, who's this? And then we told him the story. And,
it's not funny, man. She just texted me right away, too. I'm like, who is this person? I don't want a date. What do you have to say about this, man?
I wasn't here for this, but I feel
so funny, right?
But he's gonna get you back. Kareem is the prankster of prank.
But I don't want to mess with Kareem, man.
Basically, what Shake's trying to say is that I'm the master of pranks, so I'm really good at getting people back. And just watch, I will get you back, Slim.
No, you won't.
I will get you back, Slim.
No, you won't. Oh, no, you won't.
We're here, like always, in Dunkin' Donuts.
that's where we live.
Yeah, might as well just give us run over here.
We live here.
This is our spot. We always chill
at
here.
home.
And Adam just dared me to do something crazy. And there's cops outside on us.
Oh, that girl, yeah, he did something.
Yeah, something really bad.
I told him to. I didn't know how to do this.
Kareem's on the green light.
The Kareem, you psycho! What did Kareem just do?
Yo, Kareem's insane.
Oh my! What the heck? Because you know, Kareem is he's the mature one, you know, the normal one, but he actually really crazy.
Look, just because I'm mature doesn't mean I don't like to have fun.
It was like
I used to do crazier things than these guys
like really
way back in the day, and I'll show you guys. I'm gonna try to find some videos.
I thought Kareem was a punk before, but he just changed my my what's that word?
What you thought I was a punk? Nah, Kareem's not a punk.
You heard him?
He thought I was a punk? Wait, you thought I was a punk? You thought I was a punk?
Because I think you're the punk, Habibi.
Me?
Yeah.
Bro, I'll go under any truck any day.
He went under an
But you didn't,
18-wheeler
though.
truck, like he ran under the 18-wheeler truck while it was about to move. So
Nah, I'm gonna give it to you. Kareem's actually becoming a man now. Yeah, I'm gonna give it.
Bro, I was always a man, bro.
Oh, you
talking
lived
about,
more than 5 seconds.
Because you said you're a man now. Who says that? Right. So Elena, I want to give you a huge shout out. This is the most awesome thing you sent me. It fits perfectly. I love it. And look, it's so cool. It has this little leather elbow thingy. And
matches you. Looks nice.
It looks sick. I love it. So thank you for this. It's awesome. And I have the hat and the shirt. I'll be wearing those soon in Texas. Yes, that's right. We're gonna be going to Texas in 4 days. Honestly, Texas invited us to shoot some videos there. People in Texas. Can't say who it is now, but. We hope you guys enjoy the videos there.
Why are we always in Dunkin' Donuts? Because it's our second home in it.
they have Wi-Fi.
It's like Dunkin' Donuts Team Double D, right? Then we have Team Double S.
Team AK.
Team AK all the way, all day, every day.
Team Double S.
No, I didn't notice to sponsor us, bro. Because we're always here.
Yeah, I know.
So any people out there who run
cut us off.
Dunkin' Donuts or know anyone that has any association with Dunkin' Donuts, we would like to be sponsored by you, and we love Dunkin' Donuts, and we have no problem having you in our videos. You always keep messing with. Why?
Check the trash cans.
Why? Oh! Wow!
Damn. That's what he thinks of your stuff. It's garbage.
Garbage.
That was pretty cool. How'd you do that? It was mad slick, Adam.
Yeah, that was magic. I'm not even noticing. Yeah, I'm gonna give it to you. Your Kareem, where's your wallet?
Yo, don't play me like that, man. That is so weird, I swear.
Alright, so I guess this is it. This is it for the vlog. I'm really happy with this vlog camera. If you guys want to support my channels, whatever it is, there's a fun button that you could click on my main channel, and all your support is appreciated. That's how I was able to get to this new vlog camera, and it's pretty cool, and I'm loving it. It's much more simpler and much more cooler and much more, you know, it just feels right. Anyway, I'll see you guys soon. Keep watching the vlogs, keep showing that love. Peace, love, and unity, and see you later.